Ginamit kong pang renovation para pag uuwi siya ng kasi ayaw niya nang umuwi dito no? Kasi hindi nga raw siya safe, so ayaw niya nang umuwi dito. So ang sabi ko is pagandahin yung bahay sa Cavite para sana komportable siya, na matutulog doon, na makakapag-relax, makakanood ng TV and all.
Hindi ka pa asawa, girl. Girlfriend ka pa lang. Pag girlfriend, girl, huwag mo na awayin kasi alam mo naman ng mga mommy, isa yan sa way na magiging harmonious ang inyong relationship. Pag asawa ka na, pwede.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Don't know where I can.
Sabay din dito. Dito. Konti.
Que des évidences dans mes couplets. Pour faire un bébé, faut s'accoupler. Si t'as mal au dos, faut pas forcer. Je te conseille de consulter. Dans la rue, ton maître, plus que dehors, n'importe. Mbappé, un kick. Non, j'ai pas vu Titanic, j'ai juste qui finit en italique.
Bumibideo naman kami ngayon dito. Ayan.
Ayan na yung bus.
Parating na yung bus, papunta kaming Cavite. Mag-excursion kami.
Ayan bus.
Let the light within you shine, a lamp in the night. Embrace the journey, let your spirit take flight. Release the chains of doubt and fear, spread your wings and soar. Discover the strength within you like never before. Leaving your voice in the difference you can make. Every small act of kindness, a difference it can take. Embrace each moment, create your destined fate. In following your dreams, don't ever hesitate. Dreams are whispers of your soul, waiting to be sung. Chase them with passion, your journey has begun. Gratitude for what you have, treasures to behold. In giving to others, let our kindness unfold. Embrace what makes you happy, let go what holds you back. Embrace the gifts you've been given, not what you always lack. Believe you can make a difference, no matter how small. In giving to others, you stand tall. Leaving your voice in the difference you can make. Every small act of kindness, a difference it can take. Embrace let our kindness unfold. Embrace what makes you happy, let go of what holds you back. Embrace the gifts you've been given, not what you always lack. Believe you can make a difference, no matter how small. In giving to others, you stand tall. Dreams are whispers of your soul, waiting to be sung. Chase them with passion, your journey has begun. Gratitude for what you have, treasures to behold. In giving to others, let our kindness unfold.
Ito pala yung bahay dito ni Ma'am Angelica sa Cavite. Binibenta niya to. Ang ganda-ganda. Let's pray.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm thrilled to share a special property that's hitting the market, the beautifully furnished family home of renowned gymnast Carlos Yulo, located in the heart of Imus, Cavite. If you've been dreaming of finding the perfect home, this could be the golden opportunity you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the specifics of this charming residence. Lot area. The property sits on a cozy and manageable 50 square meters, making it ideal for families looking for a comfortable yet low-maintenance living space. Floor area. This is a two-story house with a spacious 120 square meters of living area. This home offers ample room for all your needs, from relaxation to entertaining guests. This fully furnished home is a rare find and comes equipped with various modern amenities and tasteful furnishings. Here's what you can expect. Fully furnished, each room is designed with comfort in mind, featuring stylish furniture and decor that complements the space beautifully. Just move in, and you're all set. Freebies galore. What's better than buying a new home? Getting extra perks. This property includes plenty of attractive freebies that make it even more appealing. Imagine starting your new life here with all these added goodies that can make you start a new motorcycle accessories business worth more than 300,000 pesos. One of the best parts, it comes with a clean title and is ready for you to move in right away. No long waiting periods or renovation headaches. Imus, Cavite, is a thriving area with great accessibility and community amenities. Here are a few reasons why living here is a smart choice. It's conveniently located near schools, shopping centers, and hospitals, ensuring that everything you need is just a stone's throw away. The vibrant community and friendly neighborhood provide a great environment for families and individuals alike. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a new home, the current residence of the Yulos offers the perfect combination of comfort, convenience, and modern living. Don't miss out on this excellent opportunity to make this house your new home. If you're interested or have any questions, feel free to contact Angelica Yulo. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to like and subscribe for more property showcases. Until next time, stay safe and happy house hunting.
Sa bawat hapak, masaya at ligaya, Angelica Yulo.
Tatagay kami kay tatay. Diba?
Angelica
Tagay. Ayan, sikat na vlogger yan eh. Si Sir Benny, ang vlogger ng bayan. Andyan din si Macho Nonoy, ang vlogger ng di ko alam kung saan. Ayan. Ang dami pa natin kukunin.
Paborito ng pamilya sa bawat tahanan, di ka mapipiko sa lasa ng
Kasya naman tayo dyan.
loves, masarap talaga ang gawa sa puso. Magtimpla ng saya kasama ang pamilya. Angelica, you loves, mamahalin ka. Yulong ganisa, lasang di malilimutan. Sama-sama sa mesahan, di ba kasiyahan? Angelica, you loves, sarap walang kapantay. Malapit ang style.
Ganda ito to call by myself.
Kain na, sama-sama mag-enjoy. Yulong ganisa para sa lahat. together we stand.
Yan, kita agad yung yan. Hello! Ayan! Pinagpula na ako pang dadaan. Nandito kami, live kami nandito ngayon sa bahay na Carlos. Hello! Hindi sa pag-drive. Grabe yung init dito, parang kami nasa extra challenge. Pero ang sarap dito sa Pilipinas. Dito yung dating. Ang daming ano, ang daming ng bahay. Ang daming nasa na pwede ko bilhin at ang bahay ni Carlos Yulo sa kanyang family. Binibenta na po siya na basta PMS na kaya. Tara, tayo na. Picture kayo, video ako. Dito ka tayo. Hindi, tama lang. Ayan. Alice, go on.
Grace. Home is still our sacred space. Our dearest family, a lamplight that shines, guiding our hearts through the darkest times.
Ang dami kong problema.